Be alert. 7 foods that should never be given to dogs. 1. Drink caffeinated. Anyone here who regularly drank coffee every morning? Coffee contains caffeine, which can provide some sort of energy booster to be able to do daily activities. Coffee also befriended a number of people to be able to stay awake at night. Thanks on caffeine that can provide these benefits. Great for humans, but are harmful to dogs. Caffeine contain a methylated xanthine. This substance can be stimulate the nervous system in dogs, causing them to vomiting, sleeplessness, irregular heartbeat, even death. Not just coffee alone, beverages that contain caffeine, such as tea, fizzy drinks, and energy drinks also contain caffeine content which may be smaller. The slightest caffeine content in a food or beverage remains fatal for dogs. 2. Garlic and chutney. Garlic and Bombay are 2 kinds of ingredients that are familiar in the ear. In every cuisine, many people use it as a flavoring ingredient to food. And indeed the resulting food will taste very delicious. Safely consumed by humans, 2 types of onion is unfortunately not safe for your pet dog. Either garlic or onions, both of which contain toxins harmful to dogs. Garlic and onions can cause damage to the dog's red blood cells. If it is so, the dog will have difficulty walking. A blood transfusion is one option if the dog already severe conditions. 3. Alcohol. We know that drinking alcohol in excess is not good for the health of the body. Humans did have the immunity that is stronger than the dog in terms of drinking alcoholic beverages. And indeed every human being has a different level of immunity against alcohol. But for a dog, let it just a little bit of alcohol in the body can cause a fatal effect. Beer, wine, and all the food and drinks containing alcohol is taboo foods for dogs. Indeed, alcohol could be bad for the brain and the heart, be it human or dog. But for dogs, alcohol can cause a number of problems such as vomiting, diarrhea, nervous system disorders, breathing difficulties, coma, and the worst is death. The smaller the size of the dog, the effect could be obtained is increasingly severe. 4. Cheese. Indeed delicious cheese for consumption. Lucky we are as human beings not so have a problem means when this type of food one consumes. But for those of you who have pet dogs, don't ever go you guys give the cheese on Petcallion. Arguably the cheese have in common with milk. Both contain a high sugar and fat. Dogs unfortunately do not have the enzymes necessary to break down the sugars and fats. Eat cheese can cause digestive problems, vomiting, and diarrhea. 5. Milk. Maybe you guys a bit baffled why milk harmful to dogs. Likening human beings who cannot consume milk because it has an allergy to lactose content in milk. Moreover, it's been mentioned before that the dogs do not have the enzymes to break down the lactose. Therefore, the dog should not be recklessly consume milk. Any puppy should only be drinking milk from its mother. Only in the tribulation that dogs will be given a low lactose milk. Drinking milk could be carelessly causes diarrhea and other gastrointestinal problems. 6. Brown has been known long time indeed should not be given to dogs. A good dog owner would never put brown in any place not eaten by the dog's death. In the chocolate contained caffeine and theobromine, both included in the category of poison for dogs. If it comes to inedible by dogs, brown will lead the dog suffered vomiting, abdominal pain, dehydration, body shakes, heart rate problems, stiff ride, body temperature, and the worst is death. 7. Avocado. No matter how good the benefits found in avocados, this one is a forbidden fruit for the dog. For humans, the avocado contains good fats that are beneficial to health. But unfortunately the avocado fruit is in fact gives the opposite effect on dogs. The fruit, leaves, and seeds of avocados should not be eaten by the dog at all. In avocado fruit turkadung substance called persin. These substances are safe for humans but toxic to dogs. Consume the avocado can cause digestive problems, breathing difficulties, and the emergence of fluid in the chest.